What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Living Life Fast, and today we're going for a late night blast in my Dodge Hellcat. If you're new to the channel, this car's running 1 or 2 mods. We've got a full Valvetronic decatted Armatrix exhaust system. We've also got a TDI tuning module. So the car was dynoed at around 730, 740 wheel. That's about 800 crank horsepower. So look, I've been invited by Empire UK. It's just a little private meet. Yesterday they had a public one where they had about 500 cars turn out, but today there's a few hand selected cars. Just gonna go out, have a bit of banter. I think I'm lost already. Oh shit, yeah, I'm lost. So yeah, there may not be much talking, but obviously if you've heard the sound of this Hellcat, I'll remind you of how horrible it sounds. Whoa! Whoa. Anyway, enjoy the video. You been alright? Yeah? Yeah, man, bless. Yeah. Just get 720, bro. I'm telling you, stage 1 tune, 720, you're gapping everyone. Come on, so. We say, man, you out here?
Very good.
Yes, brother, bless. We saying daps? Yeah, yeah. POV vlog. So, guys, we've got a nice selection of cars. Got M4 over there, RS4, the original. Good. Come on, daps. Come on, bust the bars, bro.
I'm here.
What you saying, man?
What's going on?
Is that the M4 from Imran's, or?
This one?
Yeah. Is it running pures?
No, I'm not sure.
No, okay. Got a roller here. Got Eddie in his M5. He didn't actually run it at the event the other day. Got a Porsche Turbo. Remember I ran my GTR against this when I rented at the airfield. This is completely stopped, but you know how quick these are. We've got my Hellcat running around 800. We've got a GTR. This looks sick. Got the Thunderbolt headlights. Man, like Oscar about to get the Cinees.
No way, it's famous.
Nah, it's famous Oscar, man. Trust me. Oscar's bare famous. What you saying, bro?
I know your thing, I definitely.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, I saw you earlier going to chat it.
Yeah. I'm in the Hellcat.
That's not your.
Bro, you man don't watch the channel.
Nah, bro, the M4 900 brake horsepower.
M4's, bro, you ain't been watching for time, bro. Just give him about 5 minutes, yeah?
No, that's what I'm saying. You got about 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
Fuel on the way,
Yeah. So we are off. What are we saying? Traction off? I don't mind a bit of traction off. V10, yeah? Okay. So just so some of you know, I've actually tried to shoot a lot of late night POVs since that Birmingham one. And the problem is that around London and where I'm from, there's no light. You can't really see inside the cabin. In Birmingham, wherever we were driving in that video, there was loads of light in the cabin. And honestly, I've genuinely shot about 4 or 5 videos and I've not uploaded them because it's just like a completely black cabin. Man like Oscar in the S3. I told Oscar to jump out of me. He's like, nah, I want to chill with my friends. Like, bro, do your thing then, innit, bruv? Gavade Singh. Man, bro, I just cruised through the gears and gap dapper. Those days are gone, daps. Yeah, one thing I love about this Hellcat is, see right there, it says 59 miles. Let me tell you, that is not lying. That is a genuine 59 miles. It don't matter how I drive, how slow, how fast, it don't drop, it don't rise. It's just 59 miles, that's what I got. F10 M5, yo. gap by a GTR. Fucking hell. Raw.
Go hard, or go home. 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 Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home. 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 Touchdown like the
That was alright little cruise. Is it loud, yeah? Loud.
Bro, you know what?
I never heard it.
I'm driving you home. Good to see you, brother.
Yeah, I'll chat you there, innit?
Time, bro.
Yeah, I want to film your car before it goes as well, though. Or nah?
No, I'm gonna get it next week.
Yeah.
We have to
I'll come to you.
We have to
Even if it's a quick one, innit? Yeah?
We have to do it.
Go on. Safe, Dev. Yeah, nuts, yeah. No, bro, these man are mad. No, bro. Bro, I'm an old man now, bro. I'm not on that shit no more.
Hey, it sounds crazy.
Loud, yeah?
Dinosaur.
Yeah. No, man, you can't fuck with a poor turbo, innit?
These two, they were like
Dude,
side
this
by
one was
side.
gone, innit? No, he was blowing me.
No. I think it was like 4th gear and he started pulling.
He was catching you a bit, I think. You should have a race. Nah? I don't know, man. I was watching, it looked like he was catching.
170 was...
Yeah, but bro, the race is done there, man.
Up every weekend, man. He's the winner.
Got a man like step up.
Like Ricky, you know. Thick Claude. Okay.
What's that Hurricane? Is that stock or?
Stage 1 Hurricane. Mad. Now it's go time. Hear it? Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Just as I locked the lamp as well, he said, I'm like,